Jerry from Tomball has a question about dust venting.
Well, it's for his shop, Tom. He uses this dust collector. Check this picture out in his shop attic. And his attic is in a 2.5-car garage. That's his shop. It's a nice space for a shop when you're right down to it, right? He said, Jerry writes, it keeps it much quieter in the shop, but the soffit vent where he's venting to, it works, but he's not thrilled. He says a little too tight. He says, I have hardy plank siding and an asphalt roof. And, sorry, hang on. I'm sorry, I got distracted because Siri pops up every now and then. If you just say her name, she shows up. But anyway, that's the perils of doing this by Skype. Anyway, continuing on, he says, so I have hardy siding and an asphalt shingle roof. And if he wants to know, should I do a dryer vent through the hardy or a vent stack through the roof? He says he's done a vent stack before, but he found it unnerving.
Oh, hello, Siri. I'm sorry, I'm in the middle of something. Okay.
That's exactly what it feels like.
No, I understand. The world understands this stuff, Charlie, because of what we're going through. Right. But we go through the hardy, not the roof. I don't want him to penetrate the roof because it rains on the roof. The hardy is back a little bit, protected by the soffits and the overhangs, and I'd rather him go through a dryer vent. I looked at his picture, and he even has, and I haven't seen this in a while, one of those rubber pads under it. So he did a good job with putting that thing up there.
Isolated the motor so it wouldn't.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Did a great job, but go through the hardy with a dryer vent. You can always replace a piece of hardy, but if you tear that roof up, first off, we'll have to call Jim Hardwick. Yeah. He'll have to do a whole flashing thing and everything else. So that's not good.
We'll get him over to fix that. All right. We can fix just about anything and save you from a what did he describe it? A nerve-wracking penetration. We can prevent one of those for you. Just go ahead and write us at HomeShowRadio.com. Click the Ask Tom button, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video like this. And we post them every day, a new one at HomeShowRadio.com. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that'd be fun too. Go ahead and click subscribe and the bell, and we'll notify you when we post a new one.